Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search messages on Element. So, once you're logged into your Element account, the first thing you need to do is open a chat. This can be a direct message with a friend or a room that you have joined. So let's say, for example, this one. So all you need to do is from this chat, you want to click on this icon, room info, right over here. And as you can see at the top, there's an option for you to search messages. So simply click that and type in the message or the word that you are looking for. Let's say, for example, I don't have much messages here, but let's say, for example, hi. Now, as you can see, 0 results found for this one. So what you need to do is keep in mind all chats are encrypted, especially when using the browser version, as this is what I'm currently using. So you won't be able to use the search messages feature on this web version. But what you can do is simply download the app version. You can click this one to download it and basically follow the same steps. And that's it. Now you know how to search messages on Element in a few simple steps, both the app version and the web version. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!